If you're making less than $5,000 a month, this video will not be helpful to you. Instead, you should watch this video here on how to scale your business up to 6 figures. Don't watch this video if you're making less than $5,000 per month consistently. It's just not gonna be helpful, not gonna be a good use of your time. If you are making more than $5,000 a month, this video is gonna break down everything that you need to know about how I took one online course and made over $3 million from that very course. In case you're wondering which online course I'm talking about, this is my Get Clients Now program. It's my signature course. I've ran it for, what is it? It's our 2-year anniversary. May 2020 was the year we launched it.
I know when, because it might be today.
No, it was the first week of May. So this was a course that we launched May of 2020, and we've since then made $3 million from this course. First thing that worked really well that I think everybody needs to do if you want to create a course that's actually scalable is this course that I had was actually a group program first. And I had sold it hundreds of times. I had hundreds of students go through this 8-week, I think it was, or maybe it was a 12-week group program. So I had the offer validated. I wasn't pulling a course out of thin air and hope that it sold. It was a course that had already sold as a group program many, literal hundreds of times. Therefore, I knew that it was something that was going to sell, and it was the next step for me in terms of scaling. It was the next natural graduation from a fully booked out group program every 12 weeks to, okay, let's get something that's a little bit more evergreen, which is why I turned it into a course. Second thing that I did really well, and this is another big thing that helped me make so much money from this one online course, is that I only sold this course and this course alone for 2 years. Like I literally just sold GCN for 2 years. We're only just now slowly starting to accept people into my 100K mastermind, which is essentially where I teach people how to create $100,000 months. But I sold the Get Clients Now program for 2 years straight, and I didn't sell anything else. This was the only thing I pushed. This was the only thing I sold. And what happened was I was able to really master the art of selling it well. The third reason why we were able to make so much money from one online course is because we committed to tweaking and improving the program. We have really, I would say probably every month, we make one change to the course that dramatically improves it. So this course, we have daily business coaching calls, like a student success advocate who's in charge of making sure you see results in the program. We are constantly creating new trainings. We're constantly updating it. It's an amazing program. And because it's as amazing as it is, it creates really good results. So let me show you. You can see some of the most recent wins. These are just from this month alone. We have Katrina who says, so excited to have made my first $3,500 month, looking to replicate it to hit 6. First 5K client. I'm all booked up for May. Close a $10,000 deal. It's just really cool to see. And these are just, again, like if we scroll through this whole page, it's not even loaded fully yet, but this is just a tiny drop in the bucket. We also have a whole nother Google Drive thing. I don't know if I can pull this up here. Also filled with even more testimonials. So we quite literally have, you can see here, great example, Diane. Celebrate with me, 4 new clients signed. It's only the first week of January. Just landed a 20K client. We could sit here and do this for an hour and we would not run through all the testimonies we have on this program. And it's really easy to make a lot of money on a program that delivers results like this. It's kind of amazing. In addition, the program itself is really good and the results are really good, right? So it's a combination of we're constantly improving the actual program itself, which creates really good testimonials, which makes it easy to sell and continue to scale. And you have that, honestly, like that word of mouth effect, right? The other thing that made this program really scalable is I stopped doing the selling for it. That's key. I don't think I would have hit 7 figures as fast as I did and continued to make money from this if I was the bottleneck in sales. So it's something for you to start thinking about. I'll give you an example. Right now, most of our sales are coming from an automated pre-recorded webinar. Right? So it's a workshop that we do. I run everybody through it. It's a really cool workshop. We've definitely hosted it a lot. It gets really good results. Even the workshop itself gets, people say like there's better results from that free workshop that's pre-recorded than the actual courses they paid $8,000 for. At the end of that workshop, I talk a little bit about the Get Clients Now program, what's included, what you get, what the cost is, and I invite them to join. That's the only way we're selling GCN right now. It's the only way we're doing it, and it's incredibly scalable. All we have to do is get people to watch the workshop, and then they sign up. So I wake up to sales every single day automatically, all on autopilot, without me being a bottleneck. It's kind of amazing, and it's worked really well for us. because of all the work we've done to validate our offer, right? Started as a group program. It's a very validated offer. We created something that was incredibly scalable. We are constantly tweaking and improving it. Our testimonials speak for themselves. We created a way that it sells automatically. I wake up to sales every single morning. Check my Slack channel. Bunch of sales came through. Fantastic. Go about my day. More sales come through. It's just happening all on autopilot. So it's a pretty damn scalable course. It's a pretty nice chunk of change. And remember, we're not paying sales commission, right? Because we don't have salespeople right now. We're just selling it over the automated webinar. We don't run ads to it, so we don't have advertising costs. We do have a lot of coaches in the program. So we have in the sense of we have currently coaches who are in charge of helping the students see results. And we have student success advocates who are personally, individually assigned to students to make sure that they see the success they need to see, which again is another reason why the program does as well as it does. But other than that, I mean, it's a pretty damn profitable course. It doesn't have a lot of the overhead that a lot of courses do. So we're super happy with it overall. By the way, if you aren't currently in the 100K Mastermind or you're interested in scaling your business to 100K cash months, that's what the 100K Mastermind is all about. So if you're interested and you want to apply, go to mariawendt.com/apply, get more information there and see if it's a good fit for you, if it's a good fit for us. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I want you to know that creating a course that can be scalable and make you a lot of money is completely possible. You just have to do the right things and avoid doing the wrong things. If you like this video, be sure to like it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.